Hello, my name is Matthew Dunn, and I'm an attorney here at Swartz & Swartz. For today's topic, we are going to discuss what you should discuss with your doctor if you are involved in a motor vehicle accident. First, make sure you tell the doctor that you were involved in a motor vehicle accident. After you meet with your doctor, he will produce a medical record which will outline how you got hurt. This record will be used as evidence in any subsequent insurance claim or trial. If for some reason there's no mention of a motor vehicle accident, naturally the insurance company may deny your claim. Second, in describing the accident, be as specific as possible. Identify all of your symptoms that you're presently feeling. Also, please describe the mechanism of injury. For example, if you hit your head on the steering wheel, or if you contorted your neck in such a way that you felt a pain in a certain body part. Make sure that your doctor knows about that. Next, be sure to describe with your doctor your full medical history. Your first site of treatment may be at an emergency room. Unlike your primary care provider, they're not going to have a complete list of your prior impairments. It's important to outline what conditions you had prior to an injury so that an expert or your attorneys can understand how the motor vehicle accident may have impacted those pre-existing conditions. Next, describe a treatment plan with your doctor. After you've explained your injuries, your doctor should conduct an examination. Perhaps he will conduct diagnostic studies, and he should provide you with a diagnosis. You should ask him what he recommends for follow-up treatment for your injuries sustained in the motor vehicle accident. Last, make sure you ask about any restrictions that the motor vehicle accident and resultant injuries may have on your ability to perform work. Often clients claim that they are unable to go back to their regular source of employment. However, an insurance company may contest that if those restrictions are not endorsed by their treating physician. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident and have any questions, please contact the experienced attorneys here at Swartz & Swartz. Thank you.